Starting around 08 July 2023, HEX generally is exchanging at $0.008 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, HEX explicitly has a really complete market cap of $1,425,044,509, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,300,534, which sort of is very huge. This especially makes HEX, in every practical sense, positioning at 207 in the cryptographic money market, which essentially is very critical. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX really be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Is HEX an especially wise venture or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023? Which basically is very huge. Will HEX cost by and large outperform its untouched genuinely high in an unpretentious manner? These sort of are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in a for the most part huge manner. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost certainly is supposed to generally cross an extremely normal value level of $0.009, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to generally be $0.009 in a kind of large manner. Besides, HEX can in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.010, which sort of is genuinely huge. HEX value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of HEX is supposed to in every way that really matters, be at around a very least of $0.007, which certainly is very critical. HEX cost can arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.008, with the truly normal cost of $0.008 in United States dollars, showing how HEX generally has a very complete market cap of $1,425,044,509, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,300,534. Incredibly, HEX value expectation August 2023. The cost for HEX in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.008 and $0.009, which generally is very huge. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.008, which sort of is very critical. HEX value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, HEX explicitly is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.008 in an essentially significant manner. The HEX cost could fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0.009, with the especially normal cost around $0.009, which especially is genuinely huge. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.009 and $0.010, or so they generally thought. While the typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.009 in a huge manner. HEX value estimate November 2023. The by and large normal cost of HEX could go to $0.009 toward the finish of November 2023. So HEX value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of HEX for the most part is supposed to really be at around a sort of least of $0.007, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. HEX could fundamentally be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.010, with the truly least expected cost of $0.009, which essentially is genuinely critical. HEX value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, HEX cost truly is gauged to generally arrive at a kind of the least cost of $0.009, essentially further appearance how in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023. What will HEX sort of be extremely worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? The HEX cost could explicitly arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.010, with the typical expected cost around $0.009, or so they certainly thought. HEX exceptionally past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been diminished by 0.84%. in its certainly current worth, which truly demonstrates the way that hex cost can basically arrive at an especially limit of $0.008, with the kind of typical cost of $0.008 in United States dollars, exhibiting how hex has a very complete market cap of $1,425,044,509, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,300,534 in an especially significant manner. Assuming that we explicitly look at the especially current market cap of the hex with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap generally is likewise down, showing the way that the hex cost could generally arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.010, with the in every practical sense, normal expected cost around $0.009 in an unpretentious manner. Hex really is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The hex in a real sense is down to nearly 3.47% in the absolute most recent 7 days, showing that starting around 08 July 2023. Hex generally is exchanging at $0.008 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally enormous manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for pretty past by and large couple of days. The coin could basically have serious areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in especially transient in a fundamentally significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of hex generally diminished by 89.395%, wiping out an incredible extremely normal amount of $0.069 from its certainly current worth, so the hex cost could in a real sense arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $0.009, with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.009 in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a kind of goodbye and large purchase and open door for kind of speedy speculation, showing how hex value expectation December 2023. With respect to December 2023, hex cost generally is conjectured to fundamentally arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $0.009, pretty further appearance, how assuming you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the hex cost expectation end of 2023, what will hex especially be worth in 2023, in a kind of significant manner? The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 67.47%, and the cost commonly coursed from a truly least especially normal cost of $0.024 to especially greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.027 in the all things considered recent days, or so they